What if I told you one habit is quietly draining your energy, killing your confidence, and keeping you trapped in a cycle you can't escape? You feel exhausted, unmotivated, stuck, and yet the answer to unshakable self-control and true personal power has been hiding in plain sight for over 2,000 years. Today, I'm revealing the Stoic secrets that top performers, warriors, and visionaries used to break free from destructive impulses, and how you can use them right now to reclaim your energy, sharpen your focus, and become the master of your own mind. Imagine waking up each morning feeling unstoppable. No guilt, no shame, just clear purpose and boundless drive. That's what happens when you stop giving your power away to fleeting pleasure and start channeling it into meaningful action. Let's dive in. Every time you indulge in a quick fix, your brain rewards you with a surge of dopamine, the pleasure chemical. But that same surge rewires you to crave more, leaving your motivation for real goals completely flatlined. Your brain thinks it's already won, so it stops caring. You know that hollow feeling afterward, the guilt, the exhaustion, the sense that something inside you slipped away. That's your potential slipping through your fingers. The ancient Stoics warned us about this centuries before modern science confirmed it. Seneca wrote, "No man is free who is a slave to his body." Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily that self-mastery is the path to true freedom. They understood that every time you surrender to impulse, you strengthen the chains that bind you. And every time you resist, you break those chains a little more. So how do you break free? It comes down to 3 core Stoic principles: discipline, purpose, and transmutation. First, discipline. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." True discipline isn't about punishing yourself. It's about choosing what's truly valuable over what's easy. Each time you resist the urge, you train your mind to become stronger. You build mental toughness. You prove to yourself that you are in control, not your impulses. Start small. Delay gratification for just 5 minutes, then 10, then an hour. Each victory makes the next one easier. Second, purpose. The Stoics believed a life without purpose is a life wasted. When your mind is occupied with a mission, building a business, mastering a skill, serving others, you simply won't have the bandwidth for empty habits. Define your why so clearly that every time temptation strikes, you remember the higher goal you're working toward. Write it down, repeat it daily, let it burn brighter than any fleeting desire. Third, transmutation. This is the ancient secret of redirecting raw energy into unstoppable drive. Nikola Tesla remained celibate to harness his creative genius. Leonardo da Vinci channeled his passions into art and invention. They understood that sexual energy is the most potent force in a man's body, and when you redirect it into your work, your creativity, your physical training, you become unstoppable. The same energy that once fueled habit can now fuel achievement. Now picture the results: heightened focus, rock-solid confidence, and laser-sharp clarity. Your testosterone levels balance out, your drive to achieve real success skyrockets, and you finally regain command of your own mind. This is true Stoic freedom, mastering yourself so nothing can master you. Here's your 5-step action plan. 1. Delay and defeat. When the urge hits, delay for 10 minutes. Use that time to stand, breathe deeply, and recite your purpose statement. I am stronger than this. My mission is greater. Daily ritual. Each morning, spend 5 minutes visualizing your highest self, focused, powerful, disciplined. Feel that energy in your body. 3. Purpose journal. Every evening, write down one meaningful action you took that day toward your purpose. Celebrate that win instead of any momentary relief. 4th, energy channel. Schedule a daily workout or creative session at the exact time your urges peak. Redirect that energy into movement or creation. 5. Accountability. Partner. Share your goal with someone you respect. Check in daily. When you slip, own it. Then get back up immediately. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll transform your relationship with pleasure and power. You'll no longer be a slave to impulse. You'll be the architect of your destiny. The choice is yours. Stay stuck in a cycle that steals your potential, or rise above and claim the life you are meant to live. Remember, no great man in history was ruled by his desires. Those who changed the world mastered themselves first. If you're ready to break free, reclaim your energy, and live like a true Stoic, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our community of self-masters. Your journey to unbreakable self-control starts now.